Hello and welcome. For the past few years, we've been hearing about AI that can write, create images, and chat. But what if I told you the next great leap for AI isn't happening on a screen, but in the world all around us? AI isn't just chatting anymore, it's moving, building, and healing in the real world. This is the era of physical AI. Physical AI represents the powerful fusion of artificial intelligence with robotics, creating machines that can perceive, reason, and physically act in our dynamic environments. Unlike AI that just processes data, physical AI gives bodies to the brains. It combines advanced perception like vision and touch with powerful foundation models for reasoning, and interacts with the world through hardware like sensors and actuators. The year 2026 is a massive inflection point for this convergence, driven by what experts call Agentic AI autonomous systems that can plan and execute complex, multi-step tasks, adapt to unexpected changes, and even collaborate with humans. Why is this so important? Because it's a direct answer to some of the world's biggest challenges. It's poised to solve critical labor shortages, dramatically boost industrial efficiency, and completely transform key sectors. In manufacturing, these robots are already handling intricate assembly and predicting their own maintenance needs. In healthcare, they're assisting in complex surgeries and automating pharmacy logistics. The scale of this is staggering. The market for humanoid robots alone is projected to hit an incredible $5 trillion by 2050. With industrial robot installations reaching nearly $17 billion back in 2025, and that number is climbing fast. So, let's break down the core concepts. At its heart, this convergence means AI brains like the new agentic models are, powering robotic bodies. As a recent report from Deloitte puts it, this is how robots evolve from being simple, scripted machines into adaptive, thinking agents that can recover from failures and operate under uncertainty. Of course, this journey has its challenges. For a long time, progress was slowed by a lack of physical data to train these models. But we're overcoming that with advanced simulations. We're improving their ability to generalize from one task to another with more diverse training. And we're solving the problem of fragmented hardware with new modular software platforms. Let's look at the impact. In manufacturing, AI is enabling predictive maintenance, creating safer human-robot collaboration with cobots, and using digital twins to test and optimize entire production lines in the virtual world before a single physical part is made. Meanwhile, healthcare is seeing a revolution with ultra-precise robotic surgery, automated pharmacies that reduce errors, and AI-assisted diagnostics that lighten the workload for our vital healthcare professionals. This all leads to a massive economic shift. The convergence of information technology, the AI software, and operational technology, the robot hardware is breaking down old silos. This lowers integration costs and is shifting the job market toward new, high-skill roles focused on AI integration and system management. We're looking at a world with a potential 6.5 billion automated units, including drones and autonomous vehicles. By 2030, the consulting firm Deloitte has been pivotal in framing this trend. Their December 10, 2025 report, AI Goes Physical, was a landmark. It emphasized agentic AI as the brain for physical robots and predicted profound impacts from humanoid forms by the year 2035, especially in healthcare and manufacturing. And their predictions are already coming true. On February 11, 2026, a follow-up report revealed that 85% of healthcare leaders are already planning significant investments in agentic AI, with early adopters expecting cost savings of over 20% in just the next 2 to 3 years. It's not just healthcare. Deloitte's State of AI in the Enterprise report from January 21, 2026, it's projected that 80% of enterprises will adopt physical AI within 2 years, led by manufacturing and logistics. The news is buzzing with validation for this trend. CES 2026 was a major moment, with NVIDIA's CEO Jensen Huang declaring it the ChatGPT moment for physical AI. We saw Hyundai unveil its new Atlas humanoid robot for production lines. Boston Dynamics announced its own factory deployment for 2028, just after CES. On January 8th, the International Federation of Robotics highlighted a driven autonomy and a convergence as two of its top 5 robotics trends for the year. Later that month, a panel at the World Economic Forum noted that physical AI is finally becoming economically meaningful. This isn't a future-facing concept anymore. It's happening now, with companies like Audi, BMW, and SoftBank all launching pilots. So what does the future hold? The pace is only accelerating. By 2027, we can expect to see widespread deployment of humanoid robots in specific industrial and commercial roles. By 2030, Agentic AI is projected to be a core component in 74% of enterprises. Of course, we'll need to navigate the future responsibly. Issues of governance, data security, and ensuring human oversight are paramount. But it's crucial to understand that this technology isn't about replacing jobs, it's about augmenting them. Freeing humans from dangerous and repetitive tasks to focus on creativity, strategy, and collaboration in a smarter, more efficient world. The convergence of AI and robotics is one of the most important technology stories of our time. Thanks for watching. If you want to stay ahead of the curve on the technologies that are shaping our world, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more deep dives into the tech behind modern life.